Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Frog's 4x4. Today's episode, I'm going to do a quick walkthrough of the display and how to get into the different menu information systems on the Colorado ZR2. Okay, from your info page, your main screen, you want to hit the left key, scroll to Options. Then you want to scroll up to get to Info Pages. Scroll to the right. Choose Edit List. Then you can go through and highlight, add, and take away any of the information that you want. Fuel range, instant fuel economy. I have everything selected because I like to have all the information that I need at my fingertips. There you can see the engine hours, transmission fluid, the trailer brake. And you go through and basically just select and take away whatever you want. Then you hit back to the left, and go back to your information. So with all the options chosen, this is what they all look like. It's battery voltage. Speed limit is, if you're going down the highway or the road, if it happens to know what your speed limit is on that road, you don't see any signs, you can go to this menu screen, and if the truck knows what the speed limit is on that sign, it will display it on here. So if you're going down an interstate and the speed limit is 65, you can go to the screen and it'll say 65 on the screen. There has a built-in timer. That's how you reset the timer. Your average speed. Your average fuel economy for the last 50 miles. You can change that for 25 miles. 450 miles. And so forth. Here's your tire pressures, your oil life, your instant fuel economy. Obviously we're not driving, so we don't know what that is right now. Your fuel range. Current speed if you want to use as your speedometer. The blank screen. This is actually the screen my wife drives around with on because she finds it distracting to have something displayed down there. She drives around with the blank screen. There you can adjust your trailer brake, your gain, and you can be able to display that on the dash as well if you're pulling a trailer. Transmission temperature. Both of these are very useful pieces of information. If you're pulling a trailer, you're definitely going to want to have these up and keep an eye on them. And we're back to the beginning. Thanks for watching Big Frog's 4x4. That's what all the menu screens look like on the Colorado ZR2. Thanks for watching. God bless.